Have you ever wondered how AI tools can help you make money? Yes, you heard that right. The rise of generative artificial intelligence is transforming economies, with a predicted impact of $3.7 trillion on the North American economy by 2030. From integrating AI tools as a freelancer, improving your business, to teaching others, there are countless ways these tools can generate income. With the right knowledge and skills, anyone can turn AI tools into a lucrative side gig or even a full-time job. One of the most common ways to make money with AI tools is by integrating them into your freelance work. This is a trend that's gaining momentum, and for good reason. AI tools can help freelancers in a variety of fields create digital products or edit AI content for clients. Imagine, for instance, a graphic designer using AI tools to automate some aspects of their design process, or a writer employing AI to generate ideas or even write drafts. The possibilities are endless. The demand for these services is growing as more and more businesses recognize the power of AI and are willing to pay for the skills to harness it. Not only can AI tools increase a freelancer's productivity, but they can also enhance the quality of their work, leading to higher client satisfaction. This in turn can lead to more job offers and a higher income. By mastering AI tools, freelancers can offer more services and attract more clients. But what if you're not a freelancer? No worries, AI tools can still help you make money. For business owners, AI tools are a game changer. They can supercharge your marketing efforts with predictive analysis, helping you understand customer behaviors and trends. You can then craft targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience, driving sales and boosting your bottom line. AI tools also streamline business operations. They automate routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategic planning and growth. Imagine a virtual assistant managing your schedule or an AI tool handling your inventory. The initial investment in AI might seem steep, but the potential return is immense. As you can see, AI tools can significantly improve business operations and increase profits. And if you're really good at using AI tools, why not teach others? One of the most exciting opportunities in this digital age is sharing your expertise and making money while doing so. The potential is vast. You could offer one-on-one coaching sessions, create comprehensive online courses, or even host webinars. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare are great places to start. They provide an established audience that's eager to learn and a platform to share your knowledge. Remember, your teaching not only equips others with valuable skills, but also positions you as an expert in your field. By teaching others, you not only make money but also contribute to the AI community. So, are you ready to start making money with AI tools? We've covered a lot today, from integrating AI tools as a freelancer, boosting your business with AI, to even teaching others about these tools. These are more than just trends. They're opportunities to increase your income and stay ahead in this rapidly advancing digital world. Remember, the future is AI. Don't get left behind. Start exploring AI tools today.